In this video, we are going to apply styling by classification to a polygon layer. In other words, we are going to style the layer by classes, and we're going to do that to some demographic data of Texas to see the distribution of seniors, people over 65 years of age, by county in the state of Texas. So let's dive into it. I go to Map Portal, view my maps, search for the map I'm interested in, demography of Texas. This is a map that has already been created, and you can see how to create a new map on the video, create a new map. Next, I'm going to layers to add the new layer of demography to the map. I search for it. Texas demography. This is the data set we are interested in, so I add it to the map. Let me minimize the panel layer settings. You can see that the layer appears with one style. What we want to do now, we want to color the counties based on the percentage of seniors. So let me maximize layer settings again. I go to actions for that layer, Texas demography. I choose edit quantity style. The panel set quantity styles shows up. And the first step is to select the column we are interested in. In our case, we want to select that column which has the percentage of seniors. Next, we want to choose the number of class breaks. I recommend using between 5 and 7. Next, I choose the mode, the statistical mode. I have a choice between equal interval and quantile. In this case, I'm going to choose quantile. Next, I'm going to choose the color ramp. I'm going to use a ramp of red, from light red to dark red. Okay, I'm ready to classify now. Now you can see how the county will be colored on the map. For the counties with a percentage of 4.94% or less, they will be colored in that light red. For the counties between 4.94 and 10.66, they will be colored in that red, etc. Until counties that have more than 20.71%, they will be colored in that dark red. So let's click Save and see how that looks on the map. Let me minimize layer setting. Now you can see at one glance the distribution is seniors. Now let's look at the legend. And you can see this is being reflected on the legend. Now I want to do some improvements. I want to change the name of the layer, and I want to also change the label in the legend. So I go to layer settings again. Let me expand it. I go to actions, and first I'm going to change the name of the layer, and I'm going to give it the name seniors above 65 years old. Okay. I click actions and I go back to edit quantity style, and I click on custom legend. And here I'm going to change the label that is going to show up in the legend to low. The next one I'm going No, sorry, I'm going to change it to very low. The next one, low. This one, medium. High. And for the candies that have 20% or over, I set it to very high. Oh, and one last thing, I want to change the style for the candies that have the highest percentage of seniors, so that it really stands out on the map. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to contour, and I'm going to change the color of the contour to a yellow. And I'm going to increment a little bit the width of the contour. All right, we are all set, so I click save. And now you can see on the map the candies that have the highest percentage being that stand out with the style having a yellow outline. And if I go to legend, I can see that the changes that we did are being reflected. Okay, let me rearrange a little bit the legend. The legend that also shows the new name of the layer.